Gio, what do you think about the car? What do you think? Something different.
Very different.
You know the vibe. So this video gonna be all over the place. The RX-7 gonna be already.
Yeah.
Right. Tracfest. So you'll be seeing this video after Tracfest. So I hope you all had fun. Training car back up. I know I was in and out the country, so like the car was just parked up. Kendall, no, we just gonna do some oil change. So I have the Kendall car here. MD Labs, they doctoring it. We're just doing preps for Tracfest. Today, while I'm talking, is drag. So I'm gonna head down there, you know, do my usual, add additional support, you know, media wise, help wise. If I had a wet tires on the stripper doing that. And yeah, so they're just mounting up. John Mark come and do his thing. What else we had to do? Yeah, the RX-7 going down the road. I didn't still get a chance to do that video for drifting, but it's good vibes still. And yeah, so this is gonna be just a compilation of everything that happening in between. So you will get a little, you know, behind the scenes, a little thing in between, and a little paler one. Yeah. So today is just strictly drags. I was always considered today more of a car enthusiast event. Then the next event is more like family and friends, and you know, you bring out all that kind of vibes. There is off-roading too going on as well. I'll probably just do like a top shot of the off-road course. The off-road too again price too, and I remember is the females getting a $2,000. And probably tires or something. Or like the other categories getting tires and something else. Yeah. Sorry, the phone, someone. CJ, what you call him for? CJ, what you call him for? So Tracfest, everything going on. So it's an eighth of a mile, right? 1/8. So I mean safety factors on all our jazz, right? Everything is fastest. So fastest all wheel, fastest rear wheel. That's now a bike at our terrapin. But fastest bike too is 11 till midnight to bust the fastest time, and that is when they will cut who get the fastest time. Again, 5,000. And again a hamper I guess it from Kendall. So that's the vibes. So they pick the people again fastest. Wait, I have a list.
Once again, we want to thank the sponsors
event
for making the event
coordinator
possible as we wait for the other winners to come with their vehicles. The sponsors
fastest
for
all wheel,
today,
fastest bike, fastest front wheel, fastest rear wheel, fastest female. They have like a big check. You know the regular presentation the way you would get
Blue Water,
when you are abroad now, you know.
JMMB
Plus our real
Express
check.
Financing.
Then we will just do a jump cut.
Down
So
at the bottom of the track, if you could just
following
clear
day,
space there for
which
so that
would
cars
be
come through. Jesse,
off-roading, song
car.
off, car show, drifting, eating, sleeping, repeating. And that's the vibes. And obviously we can't forget one of the major sponsors as well, Ceylon Tires, distributed by RaceTrac Wheels. I mean, you will get by other tire shops and stuff, so but Ceylon, you trust me, you can't go wrong. That right, mate? Quick cam, so the drifting starting, well, it didn't start, but I had the course layout. Maybe I just do a little drone pass. Excuse the audio if it's hanging all over, but I just pick up the camera just to show you some stuff quick. All the fellas here, everybody come out to represent Tracfest, Ceylon Tires. But everybody running out just to kind of feel the course and all that kind of jazz. So they're going to touch the RF. I'm going across by the Kendall tent because the training car back. And yeah, so we're here, like waiting on out. Yeah. Go ahead.
Hey guys, so my name is Auntie Jams and this is my first day at Tracfest and it's amazing. Y'all should really come out next day, you know, all the cars and stuff. Okay, that's enough.
drifting. I fall in some mud by the off-roading thing, but we're just cutting up real clips. So let's go see where's the scene and then that is the vibe. Stop. Cool, but I can't remember how many things I say. Right, so Tracfest 2023 over. We still here late. It's probably like Minister 1, I want to feel so. I do real ride along to the BM. Obviously, I didn't get on camera because I was driving, but for those who had the ride alongs, I hope they enjoy it. Tracfest was a blast as usual. Songed off. I didn't get any video with the songed off, man. So, but I get music, man. So I hope that compensates. But the random clips, you would see all that. We still here drifting because it's just the track closed, but you know we always had our fun to do ride alongs. So it's good vibes. Racetrac, Sail on Tires, Kendall, Stamina, energy drink. I need some energy. And that's the vibe. So until next time. Good vibes with it.